In 1944, during World War II, a small village in England faced an unexpected crisis. The local population of sparrows exploded, devouring crops and threatening food supplies. The villagers were puzzled until they realized the absence of their natural predators, the kestrels, which had been driven away by the war's noise. In a bold move, they reintroduced kestrels to the area. Within weeks, the sparrow population was under control and the crops were saved. This event highlighted the crucial role of predatory birds in maintaining ecological balance. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.